This is probability topics, and this is from class 10. At first, meaning of probability is the chances of occurring any event from the given different events, that is known as sample space. So probability of occurring any event, we can write like this: probability of, just if you toss a coin, that will be head or tail, then probability of occurring head is in favor one head, and total different event is 2, so total sample space 1 by 2. That's why this is the formula: probability of event is equal to number of favorable case and by number of sample space. That is a special formula for this. And probability of occurring any event and not occurring any event, that same event, that is known as P plus Q. We can write like this: P means probability of occurring that event, and Q means not occurring the same event. The sum of this is 1. So probability of any event, that is complement of any event, 1 minus P probability of that event, we can write like this. And probability of any event is 0 or more than 0. 0 is less than equal to probability of any event is less than equal to 1. Means the probability of any event occurred between 0 and 1. Either it will be 0 or 1, or between this 0 and 1 it will occur. Now I am going to take a question of class 10 probability. Question number 4 says, which of the following cannot be probability of an event? And in A there is 2 by 3, it must be. In B minus 1.5, and in C 15%, and in D 0.7. It is clearly probability of any event cannot be negative. Either it will be 0 or 1, or between 0 and 1, but not negative. So B, option B is not possible here. This is cannot be. Likewise, 5 number question: if PE, probability of any event PE equal to 0.05, then what is the probability of not occurring? That is E complement. Like this we can write. Not E means 1 minus 0.05 means 0.95. That is not occurring that event. Question number 6. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy? Now think, probability of orange flavored candy. In a bag only lemon flavored candy only, this is given. So number of favor is 0 there, and number of sample space is lemon flavored candy only there is. Then 0 number of favor case, and sample space there is orange flavor. There is how many orange flavor candy? Not given. Then sample space, maybe there 2 or 3, 4, 5 not mentioned, that is 0, because there is no orange flavored candy. Probability is 0. Means in favor there is 0, that's why probability is 0. And in number 2, a lemon flavored candy, probability of lemon flavored candy, number of favorable case and number of sample space. Now think, number of favorable case means how many sample in sample space? There are only lemon flavored candy, that's why number of sample space, all the favorable, and number of sample space is total. Therefore, that is 100%, 1 or 100% we can say, that is lemon flavored candy. In question 7, it is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. And what is the probability that the student have the same, 2 students have the same birthday? This means it is clear, having said, it is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday? Having same birthday, this means 1 minus 0.992. Because this is having not same birthday. 1 minus 0.992. This means that is 0 like this, 0.008 is our answer. Question number 8. It says a bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. Red ball 3 and black balls 5. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is in first red ball? Probability of red ball. This means in favor red is 3 and total sample space is 5, 3, 8. So 3 by 8 is our answer. And in second, what is the probability not red ball? Probability of not red ball is equal to 1 minus 3 by 8. Then 5 by 8 is our not red ball. This is our answer.